Welcome to the training video on unboxing your HIAC 9703 Plus unit. I don't have a shipping box here, but we'll go through the contents delivered, how to set it up, and I'll walk you through some brief ideas, tips, and tricks for this install. First of all, we have the main unit. This is the HIAC 9703 Plus main unit. When delivered, it won't have the sensor on it, so we'll talk a little about that later, but we're going to have the unit itself and some accessories that are delivered with it. Here we have the power supply, the ship kit, a plug for the USB, and some O-rings that go into the sensor. The ship kit includes greater than 10 items. We have an Allen key that we'll need to use to remove a stopper from the HRLD sensor support that prevents shipment damages. And then we also have a set of caps as well, as these two red plugs that go in the HRLD sensor. It's strongly recommended to keep these. Set them aside in a small container or bag for future use when the sensor needs to be replaced or stored for long periods of time. We also have a drain tube that is delivered with the unit. Using this drain tube is mandatory. It must be connected with a free-falling flow to the waste container and/or sink. If you place this end of the tubing into the depth of the beaker, you're obviously pushing a column of liquid up, which will put a strain on the unit, syringe system, and create problems later on. We also have a sipper tube that comes with the HIAC 9703 Plus main unit. There are two types of sipper tubes. The big sipper tube is a little difficult to see, but it's this one right here. And we've got a thinner tube, which I'll show you when we get all the parts out. Along with this, you'll get a packet that contains the calibration certificate. You'll also get some other information, such as an invoice and a shipping packing list. This is just an example. Also note that in these small pockets, you may have a small brown envelope. This envelope has two small shims that are used to clean the HRLD flow path here. Thank you for completing the training video, unboxing your HIAC 9703 Plus instrument.